Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Job Updates Bro. Let me know in the comment section whether you are preparing for your interview well or still getting confused with the current hiring process. So without wasting time, let's talk about the current status of present ongoing Accenture hiring process. As per the poll status, which I have received till now, currently for SAP ABAP for HANA role, skill interviews are going on actively. And mostly everyone who cleared their online assessment have received their time to schedule interview mails. And they booked their interview slots and waiting for the interview schedule confirmation mails. For those who did not receive mails, don't panic, you will be receiving if you cleared your online assessment. This hiring process will take lot of time, so please be with patience. And few candidates have completed their skill interviews and waiting for the next further updates. The one who received the mail for final interview slot booking, he is in contact with me. Once he received interview confirmation mail for final round, I will update with you all people. Coming to the Microsoft ASP.NET role, many people have completed their online assessment and booked their interview slots. And some are waiting for their interview confirmation schedule mails. Few mentioned that they received interview confirmation mail for skill interview today. And as per the poll, some people have marked that they completed their skill interview. And for this .NET role, no one has received any further updates regarding final interview. So if I get any update, I will share with you all. Now coming to the Python role, almost they have completed their online assessment and booked their interview slot and waiting for their confirmation mail. Few people marked in the poll that their skill interviews are completed. And for this role, no one has received the final interview update. So this is the current status of Accenture hiring process. Now I am telling this for those who completed the skill interview, irrespective of whatever roles they are. Please share your interview experiences questions directly with me or in the group or in the comments wherever you feel like it is comfortable for you. I will keep eye on everything. Soon after I see them, I will post in the Telegram and WhatsApp channels. So go through them and prepare accordingly. Few people already initiated by sending their interview experiences questions. I personally say thanks to those people. Remaining people show the same interest which you are showing to ask the questions in sharing the interview questions as soon as possible after you complete your interviews. Coming to the next question, I am saying this again. What to do if panel member not joined after long waiting? Raise a ticket in the portal saying the same that interviewer has not joined. They will look into the issue and reschedule. Someone mentioned that he was unable to raise a ticket in portal. It is getting failed frequently. In this case, mail them to candidate's query mail. Here is an update which I got today. One candidate has called the Accenture team and asked about the interview schedule confirmation. At that time, they recommended him to book the slots in such a way that each slot has a time gap of minimum 48 hours. Like if your first preference is 2nd July 2026 9 am, then make sure you book your second slot as 4th July 2026 9 am. Similarly, for third preference at 6th July 2026 9 am. Note, for those who booked their slots already, leave them like that only. If you did not get any interview schedule confirmation mail till the last slot, if you want to reschedule them, then during that time, follow the pattern which I have told you above. Please don't say that in yesterday's video you told me to book early slots, now you are saying like this. I just got this update today only, so I am sharing with you all. But yes, don't delay the process. Book the early slot dates only by following the schedule preference which I told just now. Coming to the next thing, preparation materials. I made a set of questions related to all three roles. They are pinned in the Telegram channel. Join there, you will find them. Coming to the next query, which most of you are worried about. Don't worry if anyone did not receive the interview confirmation schedule mail till the end of the last booked interview slot. Accenture team is giving a chance to reschedule your interview slot booking again. You can clearly see that it is mentioned that 3 interview slots you have previously selected have now expired. But the good news is you can update your availability so we can schedule an interview at the earliest slot available. So it's clear that you will get an option to reschedule. Before I move to the next topic which I wanted to discuss, I request you all to subscribe my channel Job Updates Bro for more latest job updates, as it encourages me to bring the more latest job updates with you all. Now, I want to mention clearly that if you are asking any question, make sure to ask it completely. You people are just keeping questions like final interview completed, Type the messages completely. These messages are in such a way that you completed final interview. It's not like you are asking a question. Always use question mark bro if you are asking any question. Already many are in dilemma. By posting such messages, you are making others get confused more. And whenever you answer someone, also make sure to answer them completely. Let's move to our next question. Why I am not posting the job updates? Whenever I am getting time, I am answering all of your queries. Due to this reason, I could not post and I thought if I even post them in my channel, the Accenture messages will be going up due to the new messages and you will miss the latest update. So I stopped them. But soon I will start to post them again. Coming to the Workday portal status, I recommend not to see that every time, whether it is showing as interview or not. Leave about checking the status. Just follow the email which the Accenture team is sending you. I am repeatedly getting the queries like I booked my slot but I did not receive my interview schedule confirmation mail. Checking the status of your Workday portals will not help you regarding the change in the current status where you are. So stop checking every time and just follow the instructions and mail you are getting from Accenture team. I am saying many times that this hiring process will take a lot of time. So have some patience and wait till you receive the mails for the further rounds. Now let's discuss about interview experiences. This is the first interview experience for SAP ABAP for HANA role that is scheduled on 29th June 2 p.m. slot. In my resume, I mentioned that I am a Python developer, so she asked about OOPS concepts. She asked about the projects that I have mentioned in my resume, mostly project related questions. She was simply going through my resume. She asked about the technical skills mentioned in my projects. Finally, she asked, do you have any questions? That's it. Coming to the next interview experiences. This was on 22nd June 11 AM slot. First question was like self-introduction. Next, explain project. What is AI? What is SAP? What is SAP ABAP? Is SAP and programming language or not? And project related questions. Coming to the next interview experience for SAP ABAP on 27th June. Questions about programming language I mentioned in my resume, that is C++, OOPS concepts, abstract class, and all questions from SAP ABAP concepts like CDS, AMDP, user exit, and BADI, and some scenario based questions. Moving on to the next interview experience for SAP role. Again, first question is what is SAP HANA, ABAP program, DDIC, tables, TR codes, project related questions. Coming to the next SAP ABAP interview experience that was on 15th June 2026. The interview started with the basic SQL questions and the overall level was quite easy. What is loop and why do we use it in programming? How can you break or end for loop early before it completes? Which loop you should use if you don't know the exact number of iteration beforehand? What is the purpose of distinct statement in SQL? Which clause or function is used to sort data? What is primary key? What is foreign key? What is join SQL and what are its different types? What specially is an inner loop and how does it differ from other joins? What is the use of drop command? What is the purpose of commit statement in SQL? After technical interviews, there was a discussion based on resume and project architecture and it ended up with a question asking about expected salary. Coming to the next experience, which is for Python role on 29th June 10 AM slot. And the questions asked are OOPS concepts, what is generator function, project related questions, asked about my interview experience, do you have knowledge on ML, few resume based questions. Also, at last, do you have any questions for us? As per the interview experiences, we can say that the questions mostly are asked from resume, some skill based questions and project related questions. So prepare for this type of questions thoroughly. That's all for today. I hope everything is clear for now. If there is any kind of update, I will let you know by posting messages on groups. And lastly, if you are new to my channel, make sure to watch my Accenture playlist where I have answered most of your questions. And most importantly, if this video has helped you, please like and subscribe our channel Job Updates Bro for more latest job updates. Also share this video with your friends and family who are preparing for Accenture. Thank you so much for watching and see you all in the next video.